you're jumping at?
You know my brother is into that.
Chase, your megaphone! Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, in a few moments, the amazing Ellen full daring feat. Almost done?
It's freezing hot.
Well done, you saved the show. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Everyone, spectacular leap.
Watch this! Sorry about that. Luke Pro Gaming here for part 2 of Fireworks Show. Sorry for interrupting. Sorry, thanks for keeping interrupting for watching that DVD. I've been watching. I'm really reacting. I'm just reacting, viewers. Don't scare me like that. Okay, let's head to that interrupting. Let's go on to another fireworks show. Smoke everywhere! Smoke everywhere. Here's my brother gonna light it up, and here's James gonna watch Jamie light it up, see if he's doing it right. And oh no, it's also Tom as well. What? That's a few short one.
Right, go recover the stick.
Jamie.
Wave to YouTube, guys. Wave to YouTube. Show on, Sarah. Wave to YouTube.
Hiya.
Boy. Okay. Here's the question. How are you feeling about today in Fireworks Show?
We've really enjoyed it. Yeah. It's been very fun.
And what was your favourite rocket? It goes in different directions.
I've got to do everything you say.
It goes in different directions. Here comes Paul. Here comes my big brother, Paul Allison. Well, it's not a YouTuber. And it's gonna light it up. And so does Jamie. It's a small one. Okay then. Okay. Alright then. Let's watch it then. Oh, what's Cal got? Well, it's got the same as Paul's. I'm gonna leave up to Holly for some commentating. And I'm gonna leave up to Holly for some commentating here of a fireworks show. Commentary means like when you talk and commentary stuff. Whoa! That was a big one! That was a big bang!
You talk.
That was a massive big bang from the neighbours. My neighbours, Dad.
This is gonna make me drop it. You do, because I'm gonna drop it.
Right, we'll have 5 minutes.
No screamer.
Jay! Jay! We're going to have a record going pretty fast at fireworks.
Another 2 boxes in cupboard, isn't there?
Oh, what's Cal got?
Right, that'll do.
What's Cal got? I don't know. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Bang! that's my best one. Here's another thing in my stream. Now it's Cal's turn. Where did that come from?
Bang, bang.
James.
Oh, here's Aiden with his snake.
Go like.
Here goes James. Where did that come from? Oh.
No, don't take them up there, just film them.
Well, I'm going to leave this episode here because my phone battery is going to be lowering down, and I hope you enjoy this fireworks show. And I'll see you later next year for more fireworks show. Next year, 2017. And I'll see you 2017 for more fireworks show. Because my phone is going to be a lower battery.